Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene, and in today's video, we are doing a first impressions of the new collection from Victoria's Secret. It is their bow collection that they released. So if you would like to see my thoughts on this new collection from Victoria's Secret, then just stay tuned. And if you like content like this, be sure that you're subscribed to the channel and give me a big thumbs up. Other than that, let's get started. All right, so you may have seen where Victoria's Secret dropped a new collection. It's their bow collection and looks absolutely adorable. So, you know, like they're trying to wrap up a little cute present around the mist. And they got 4 different scents that they released in this collection. So I'm going to go over each one of them, giving my first impressions, but stay tuned to a future video where I will give my updated thought after I have worn these throughout a full day of wear test. But let's see what this collection is. What I did, just so you guys will know, is I went ahead and pre-sprayed some strips of each one of these. I also went ahead and sprayed them in the tops. So I'm going to put the tops back on them so I can show you what they look like. But I was giving them a minute to sit so that we could see what they smell like more on the dry down and then initial spray. So the first one that they released was Whipped Marshmallow Dream. Now this packaging on this one looks absolutely gorgeous. I love this color on here, this deep bluish purpley plum kind of color. I love that it has the lavender detail of the bow on here. To me, this one was the one that screamed out the most to me in this. And if you saw my Victoria's Secret haul that I just recently did, this was in that haul, and I told you that I picked 2 of these up. So I got 2 of these because just based on the packaging and notes alone, this drew me to it. So I'm really hoping I'm really hoping that I really enjoyed this one because I love the packaging. I love the scents. The scent on here says Whipped Marshmallow, Jasmine Blossom, and Cashmere Woods. Yes, I love me some jasmine and I love me some marshmallows, and Cashmere Woods is like one of the best ones they can put in there. So the 3 scents alone is calling my name. The packaging is calling my name. So I'm really hoping that it delivers. So again, that is what this one looks like. Whipped Marshmallow Dream. It's this deep plummy purple packaging. That is the scent notes on it. They even put a little bow on there with the notes. I think that is gorgeous. So let's see what my thoughts are on it, just from smelling it. Okay. So just from smelling it, from, like I said, I sprayed these papers very heavily. And that I do smell the marshmallow, I do smell the jasmine, but it's very light. I have to say that it's smelling very light. But I'm not going to go based on that because I've had several fragrances from them. I'm looking at you, Strawberry Dip and Vanilla Sundae over there from the pink lineup. And even their Bare Vanilla scent in the spray. Anyways, so I'm really hoping the marshmallow comes more alive in this. Let me spray it again on this thing here. See what the initial spray smells like. Because I am getting a little bit of sweetness. So that is from the marshmallow. But I'm getting more of the floral than I am the sweetness. But I do like it. I just don't know if I love it yet. So we're going to see. I do like it. Okay, so that is this one. That is, right now, it's a like. It's not a love. It's a like. But this is Marshmallow Dream. So we're going to see what it does. The full wear test is where it's going to be at for me. But it does have potential, so we'll see. All right, the next one I have here is, they did another cherry scent, you guys. This one is Cherry Bonbon Bliss. So we're going to see, was this worth a whole nother cherry? Because we literally just had Cherry Desire that they did in the one collection. Then they released a whole cherry collection by itself. That Cherry Bite, that Forbidden Cherry. What was the other one over there? Milkshake, the Cherry Milkshake one. So they already did 4 cherries this fall so far. So did we need a 5th one? So this one says Cherry Bonbon. I love the packaging on here too. It's cute. It's cute. And Cherry Bonbon says it has cherry bonbon in it, sweet liqueur, and pink winterberry. And I am loving on the berry scent in here. Whew. Okay, I'm glad I sprayed these in advance because this has settled into something very beautiful. Like it says, it's a cherry with sweet, with a liqueur scent, but it's a sweet like it says, sweet liqueur. And I do smell a berry scent, so I'm assuming that's that pink winterberry, whatever that winterberry is. Okay, this is nice. I'm liking this one better than the first one so far. Very nice. Okay. Let me spray it again so I can get initial expression and spray. All right, nice. Very nice. This smells good, you guys. This smells really good. Now, one of the other ones over there that was in the cherry, I'm looking over there because I have my cherries, all my fall type mist. I have it sitting over there for testing. And I know one of the other ones had a cherry liquor scent in it. So I'm going to have to see how close these are together. Just smelling off of paper, it doesn't smell the same, but I need to try them out side by side to see. But this is nice. I really do. I'm enjoying what I'm smelling. So that's, yeah, I'm enjoying that one very much. I'm enjoying that way better than this other one. Let me smell this one again. Yeah, I'm just wishing the marshmallow was more prominent in here. I know it says wilt marshmallow, so it's going to be a little bit lighter or whatever, but I just wish the marshmallow was more dominant in that one, but it is nice. But this one, I'm really liking this one. Do I love it? We'll see as it continues drying down, because I do really like it though. All right, so the next one that they released is Frosted Vanilla Fantasy. That's this one here. I love the packaging on this one as well. Probably because of the purple, but this one has frosted vanilla, milky petals, and glazed amber. Okay. Yeah, so this is a creamy vanilla. With a slight warmth from, I guess that's from the amber. It smells still more alcohol-y on the top. Yeah. So this is your vanilla if you like vanillas. It gives me a slight floral scent, but I'm mostly picking up on a creamy vanilla scent with some warmth to it. Yeah, that's what I'm mostly getting. Let me spray it again. It's okay. It's kind of like the other one. I wish it was giving me a little bit more. And it could as it sit longer. So I'm on the fence with it. I like the warmth that it's giving. I'm liking the creaminess of the vanilla that it's giving. But other than that, I wish it was a little bit sweeter. And I wish it was a little bit more creamier. But it says milky petals on it. Yeah, so that is that one. We'll come back to it. I'm going to go back and smell all of them as one final smell. But right now, that one is okay. I'm still loving the second one the best so far. All right, so the next one says Candy Berry Wonderland. And that's what this one looks like. That's the packaging on this one. This one is gorgeous as well. This one has candied berries, jeweled pomegranate, and prismatic musk. Okay. Okay. I'm liking this berries and the pomegranate. I think I might love this one the most. Yep, I think I might be loving this one the most. Yep. You definitely getting sweet berries. It says candy berries. You definitely it's giving you the brightness from the pomegranate. And like it says, prismatic musk. This isn't no soft musk. The musks are alive in here. But it's giving it a brightness about it that I really enjoy. Yeah. This is nice. I really like this one. The wear test on all of these will be where it's at, but on initial smelling of all these, this is my favorite. Let me spray it again like I did all the other ones. And this one smells the strongest too. Yeah. This is nice. Really nice. I love this one. I love this one. So, yep, yep, I love this one. This is the one. That's my favorite out of these ones from initial impression. Let me go back and smell them all like I said I would. But just off initial, if I was to rank these right now, just from going through them the one time, that one definitely would be first, which is this Candy Berry Wonderland. Then it would go to the Cherry Bonbon Bliss. Even though I have the 4 other cherries, this one still, to me, smells the best. Then it probably would go to the Frosted Vanilla Fantasy and then the Wilt Marshmallow. But let me do one last smell on all of these to make sure. Okay, now the marshmallow is speaking more in this one now than it was before. Okay. All right, so it did give me more sweetness that I was hoping it would do. Let me smell the top again. It is giving you more sweetness than it was before, which is good, but I still wish it was more sweeter. It's just, it has a slight more sweetness to it. But I still wouldn't say marshmallow. You know, marshmallow, I think of that sweet, airy, powdery sweetness, and I'm not getting that. I got a slight powderness, a slight sweetness, but it's not as strong as I think it could have been. And it could develop more as it sits more. But right now, let me go back, smell. Ooh, yeah, the cherry in here is very nice. I really like this one. I do. The cherry bonbon smells very nice. All right, frosted vanilla. This smells better now too, as it has sat a little bit longer. Okay, very nice. It's more sweeter, which is good. I still get the creaminess and the sweetness. The amber is more toned down in it because more of the sweetness from the vanilla came through now. Yeah, but I think I might still like the... Yeah, I still like the cherry bonbon better. Do I like the marshmallow more than frosty? No, that's still in last place, I think. Let's see. Did this one get better or worse from the candied berry one? Nope, still love it. Yep, still love it. Yeah, so that order still remains the same. To me, first, second, third, and then we will give it to first, second, third, and then we'll give it to this one. So the one I got the backup of that I think I would love the most, I actually love the least. Go figure. But we're going to see what it does. We'll see what it does. And we'll go from there. Yeah, we'll see what it does and go from there. Yeah, but that right now, that's who's taking it. Candied Berry Wonderland for the win from this collection. Really like it. Really, really like that one. So, that is everything. Did you pick up the collection? Let me know down below. What's your favorite if you did? And do these scents remind you of anything in particular? Because this one here kind of remind me a little bit of a couple of their body mists in the regular collection, but it's not the same. So it's like it could have been a flanker off of one of those. But I'm curious to see what y'all thoughts are on that. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to my next video and I'll see you soon. Bye.